Our eighth question, what would you wish you would have known about time management prior to beginning the program? And I'll throw this one out to Debbie first.
That is a really good question. My first class, I struggled a little bit with the time management because I did not realize the extent of time it was going to take. But now once you get used to the assignments being due every Monday, discussions due every Wednesday, responses due every Friday, that becomes a great schedule. And following that schedule does definitely help because you know without a doubt that deadline's not going to change if it's due then. And then you plan your time around that. So although it took me the first class to really get it down, and I won't say that I have it down completely, but I'm doing much better at it.
David, do you have something to add there?
Sure, I was just going to say, no, going in that it is very time consuming, and go and prepare yourself. I think it was written out in the student manual that we received a plan on. It could take less, it could take more than this, 10 to 15 hours a week per course. So as long as you come in with the mindset that it's going to be work, it's almost going to be like a part-time job, and with the schedule that's laid out, like Debbie just explained, I think you'll find that you're able to move at a good pace and not have to work up to the last minute.
Alexandra, do you have anything to add to the student nearing the end of the program?
I do. You guys can do this. Anybody can do this as long as you stay focused, stay on top of your assignments, and keep doing your own research and communicating. If you don't understand something, don't just think, oh, if I just skip this week and like get a okay grade on this one, I'll be able to pick it up next week. No, if you don't understand something, tell your professor, ask your classmates. I've reached out to classmates before on Facebook, and we've had these discussions before submitting our assignments. But it definitely helps to communicate and make sure you really understand an assignment. Just don't get left behind. Give yourself time to not understand something. Like if you know you have an assignment coming up, I would probably get it done the day before and just go back and look at it with fresh eyes the next day and reread the directions, because I've written a paper and then I've gone back the next day and looked at the directions and realized I missed something. So just don't try to rush yourself. Give yourself time and make sure you understand.